Hello everyone, welcome back to the another video. So today video is super important because your AI is fooling you. AI is not an intelligence. Basically, it is just fooling you. It is not using it intelligence, but it is only showing you the prediction of what it has been trained on. So why I am saying this all, I'll show you in this video. AI is not actually intelligent, it is just fooling you. And why I'm showing you this, I'll show you in this video. You can see other topic. I'll show you the live example of actually why I'm saying this, and you can also get a clear information of what it is. Basically, your AI is hallucinate. So you can see here a simple example. Complete the next word. Cat sat on dash. So what AI will, here you can see the classical answer you are looking for is mat. Only I have given here cat sat on the, and I have not told AI anything, but you can see here according to the data set on which AI is being trained, it has given me the example of mat. Another example you can see here, I have given here I am not looking for classical answer or even ridiculous poem using one of this modern version. Here you can see the output understood, keeping it straightforward and grounded. Here are the most common literal and idiomatic complaints that avoid the nursery rhymes glitches. So you can see here first, here the AI has given me the answer of what it has been trained on, like basic cat sat on the mat. After that it is telling me the most common why it most common word that can be used after a particular word. For example, fence, windowsill, wall, rug. You can see here. So these are the common words that are used after this sentence. You can see here. So what AI has done, when I have given this, asked this question, cat sat on the, AI has given me this answer mat. So I have not told AI anything about that what actually I wanted, but according to the trained data set on which AI is being trained, it has given me the answer mat, and after that it has given me a most common answer, that is fence, windowsill, wall, rug. Basically, AI is not using its own intelligence, it is only giving you the prediction. It is just predicting what word will come after another. I've also made a video on this, like you are using your AI wrong. This is the title of my video. I'll also give that link in the description. After watching this video, you can also go and check that video. You will get complete understanding of what actually I have explained in that video. Moving further, so you can see here basically AI is not using its intelligence, it is basically using its prediction knowledge, like what will come after what. Okay, so it is not basically using its intelligence. So I have asked, is that auto regression on work? You can see here spot on that it exactly how auto regression work in the context of LLMs. So you can see here how actually LLMs work. When you give the prompt, the cat sat on the, I didn't know the answer in a human sense, instead of auto regression to calculate what should come next. Now I'll show you how auto regression works and basically what is it, how it works. Context window. The model looks at where every word you have been provided so far has a sequence. Okay, so it will look at every word that you have provided in the sequence, and according to that word it will predict the next word that should be right. Okay, probability distribution. It scans its training data to see which word most frequently follows the specific sequence. It assigns a probability score. Okay, so basically it will assign a probability score of to thousands of potential next word. You can see here mat is 40%, fence is 15%, laptop is 10%. So according to the highest percentage, the AI will predict the next word for your sentence. Okay, so it is not using its intelligence, it is basically predicting you what should come next. The auto part, once the module selects a word, example mat, the word is looped back into the input. The regression part, the model now treats the cat set on the mat as its new starting point to predict the next token, like a period of word and. Okay, why it matters? In an autoregressive model, the output of step n becomes the input of step n plus 1. This is why you see AI text stream in word by word rather than appearing all at once. It is literally building the sentence in real time based on its own previous choice. Fun fact, this is also why models can sometimes hallucinate. Okay, you can see here basically the sentence I have used at the starting of my video, your why your AI hallucinate. You can see here, if I pick a low probability word earlier on, the autoregression nature forced me to try and make sense of that mistake for the rest of the paragraph, leading the logic of a cliff. Basically, why your AI hallucinate. I'll tell you why it happens. AI predicts word, not truth. Models like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude are trained to predict the most likely next word in a sentence based on patterns in data. Okay, as I've also told you this before, they are not directly checking facts like search engine. Okay, they are just predicting what word should come after the another word. Training data has gaps. AI learns from huge datasets, books, website, articles. If the data missing, unclear or conflicting, the models may fill the gap with something that sounds reasonable. If the data is missing or unclear or conflicting, the model fills the gap with something that sounds reasonable. So you can see here, it will not give you the proper answer, but if the data is missing where the AI is learning from, so it will give you something to fill the gap that sounds little reasonable. Okay, so don't blindly just trust the AI, use your brain and focus what actually it is giving you. The model does not truly know things, it generates awareness without verifying them in real time unless tools like web search are used. So model does not truly know your things what you want. It will generate answer without verifying them. Okay, so it will not verify is it right or wrong. You as a human being, before using anything, you have to, many of time it happens that sometimes our questions are little confusing, so in that case AI may guess the user intent, which can lead to incorrect information. So it is very much necessary for you to give a proper prompt before moving to the further. If you have till now known what actually I am telling and what where are you doing mistake, we have been giving trainings to many of the big organization as well as small organization or any businesses to help them know how AI actually works, and this type of problems we solve in our courses. So if you want, I'll also mention my email ID in the description. Feel free to reach me out and I'll help you out, and my team will teach you how you can actually use proper AI, how you can correctly give the prompt and get the best possible output of it. This already we have been teaching to many of our clients, and they have, and it have been already helped them a lot. So if you want to learn these things, you can connect to me through the email and my team will reach out to you. So next is overgeneralization. So what happened during training, models like ChatGPT 4 or later version learns pattern. Sometimes they apply a pattern where it does not actually fit. Okay, so sometimes AI, what AI do, it actually applies a pattern where it does not actually fit. So in that case, it is very important to give a proper and detailed prompt to your AI and know how to talk with your AI. So everything we are going to explain in our course. So there will be a only limited seats. So if you want to join our course and get the best benefit out of it, no matter which field you are, because AI is now being used in every field and everyone is using AI, so it will help you a lot. So if you want, you can reach me out at my email and surely my team will help you to get out of your problem and give you a proper and logical answer to how you can use AI in your work. I'll give you one example. Who invented WhatsApp in 2010? The AI might confidently give a wrong answer if it mixes facts, even though the real founder. In one line, AI hallucination equals to confident but incorrect information generated by patterns prediction instead of verifying knowledge. If you don't want your AI to hallucinate and get the best result, we will be showing you everything in detail in our courses. So if you want to get ahead from the other people in your field, join that course, and I'm sure you will be using the AI way much better than before what you were using. So this was the main reason telling you what actually your AI is doing. Basically, in short, your AI is not intelligence, it is just basically predicting the next word and giving you the output. If you want to learn how actually AI works, join our course and we will help you out there. So this was for the video. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, like the video and share with your friend. See you in the next one.